Hello there. Welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. Imagine hands-free conversations with an AI that feels almost like chatting with a friend. That's the beauty of using Grok AI in voice mode. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks or simply want a more natural and intuitive way to interact with technology, this feature can revolutionize your experience. It allows you to multitask, conduct searches, and ask questions without lifting a finger. Let's explore how to set this up and make the most out of this seamless technology. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Head over to Google, which will be our starting point to access Grok AI. In the search bar, type Grok carefully. It's crucial to spell it correctly to ensure you receive the most relevant search results. Once you hit enter, you'll be greeted with a list of results. The one you are looking for should ideally be at the top and might be labeled something like Grok, talk to AI using voice mode. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the Grok website. Now that you're on the Grok website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This will help you navigate smoothly as you get started. Look around and take note of the different sections and features available. Understanding the environment you're working in is always beneficial. Next, focus your attention on the volume meter icon. This icon is typically prominently displayed on the page and signifies the voice interaction feature of Grok. Click on this volume meter icon. This is your gateway to starting a conversation with Grok AI using your voice. Once you click it, you'll notice a prompt appearing on your screen that says, "You may start speaking." This prompt is your cue to begin. Now, speak directly into your device's microphone. To ensure the best voice recognition, make sure your microphone settings are correctly configured on your device. Speaking clearly and at a moderate pace will greatly help the AI to understand you better, so take your time and articulate your words. As you speak, you might observe an animation or some form of visual feedback on the screen, indicating that Grok AI is registering your voice input. This could be a moving waveform or text appearing as you speak, depending on how it's designed. If you run into any issues, like no response from the AI, double-check the volume meter or your internet connection. Connectivity issues can sometimes interfere with the performance. And there you have it. You are now ready to engage in a seamless dialogue with Grok AI. Using voice mode can make interactions feel more intuitive and natural, providing a hands-free experience. Whether you're conducting a search, asking questions, or exploring the capabilities of Grok AI, voice mode offers a layer of convenience that's particularly useful for multitasking or when your hands are occupied. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and experiment with different queries to fully leverage Grok AI's voice interaction capabilities. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need additional guidance. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.